This video explains to an agent how to run an invoice report and send out to their client. Pull up your reservation, go over here to reports, and as long as your agency has set up a report or an invoice that they want to go out to the client, it will show up right here. I'm going to hit generate report. You can see I've already sent one out. So this is going to be my second one, and we've set this up by invoice number. I'm going to hit run report. It's going to generate it, shows it has not been sent yet. I can send it to the customer here. I can preview it here, and we just have a little test here. Shows what we've set up with the merge tags. What we want our customers to see is when they check in, when they check out, the total cost for the package, and then when that final payment is due. I can either send it right here, or I can go back and I can send it right here to the customer. I can also download it if I want, and if it's one that I decided I don't need, I can also just delete that report. So I will send it, and then when I send it, it shows when it's been sent and at what time.